Braised wood ear mushrooms with scallions is a classic Chinese home-cooked dish. The Chinese have a history of consuming black wood ear mushrooms for 4,000 years. Black wood ear mushrooms are rich in nutrients, low in fat, and offer high nutritional value. They contain various vitamins and minerals including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, carotene, calcium, phosphorus and iron, among which iron is the most abundant. Prepare 2 types of scallions: large scallion, scallion stock, and small green onions. Prepare dried wood ear mushrooms and soak them in warm water for 5 hours in advance for later use. They provide different scallion flavors. If you only have one type, that works too. Simply add it in 2 separate batches. Cut the small green onions into segments. Cut the large scallion into segments. Slice the ginger. Rinse the rehydrated wood ear mushrooms, put them into a pot with cold water, and after the water comes to a boil, boil for 1–2 minutes. Drain the water and set aside. Soy sauce. Light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Add an appropriate amount of cooking oil, about 2 teaspoons, into the wok or pan. Keep over low heat. After the oil is hot, add star anise and ginger slices and fry until fragrant. Add the large scallions and fry slowly over low heat until you can smell the scallion aroma. Add the drained wood ear mushrooms and turn to high heat to stir fry. Add the prepared sauce mixture and stir fry. Drizzle in Sheoxing cooking wine and stir fry. Add an appropriate amount of water as needed. Add sugar and stir fry. Add white pepper and stir fry. Add salt and stir fry. Drizzle in potato starch slurry 1 ts potato starch mixed with 2 ts water, stir frying continuously while pouring. Add the small green onions and stir fry. Done. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.